Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Versace 4353 model. This particular one is the 528487 color code, and that is like the Starfish edition. So we'll take a look inside. The box is black with the gold Versace emblem here. Inside you're going to get the Versace hard case, the warranty booklet from Exotica. It's going to come with the Versace warranty booklet. And it's going to come with the Versace cloth here. This particular one, I guess it's like a collection, the tribute. It's also going to be on the frame. So this is like a special edition, I guess. So it's unlike the other Versace cloths. So slightly different with the tribute cloth here. Okay. So inside you're going to obviously get the glasses. Nice looking sunglasses. So the color description for this from Versace is a C/Azure. So it's basically like the Tiffany blue. Like the Tiffany blue on the inside mainly. It's a slightly like different, a darker blue. And then it has like a bunch of starfishes design. From the looks of it, all of them have the same exact design, so it's gonna have the same placement. Like this won't be over here, that will be the same. With the lenses, it's gonna be the gray. It's on the slightly lighter side, not crazy dark. It's non-polarized. This is a women's frame, and the gold Versace Medusa is on the sides here. It's really cool, like how they did it. It's kind of like, you know, in the middle of the starfish here. There is something somewhere on the other side as well. So these do retail for $295. With the sizing, it's going to be 51mm lens width. It's going to be 26mm bridge width, 45.3mm lens height, and it's going to be 140mm temple length. Let me show you the inside real quick. So on the left temple, it's going to have the model information. So it's going to say MOD is model, model 4353. The color code 5284 is the frame color, 87 is the lens color. It has the sizing information here, 51, 26, 140. I mean, I gave you extra measurements with the height. And on the other side, the difference, it says the Versace tribute symbol here. And at the temple end, on the right side, it's gonna say, it's gonna say Versace made in Italy. All Versace's are made in Italy. With the sizing, I'd probably say it's like a medium. It's kind of small-ish medium. It does not feature spring hinges. It doesn't bow out at all, so you know, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. I mean, you can adjust the temples a bit, but that's about it. Just so you know, like, it does kind of go inward, like the Ray-Ban original wafer. So you know, if you have big cheeks, it'll probably hit you. With the weight, it's not crazy heavy, but it is Yeah, it's not too bad. But it is on the heavier side. I mean, definitely it's a very unique one. I love the design of it. The starfishes are really cool looking. It also does have the Versace sticker here, which you can just remove. It just says Versace 100% UV protection. It's on most of the glasses. Like, everything's gonna have UV protection always. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.